It's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, this is the hair for the sugar skull look. So for this one, I'm going to be using the hair color spray as well. So let me show you these colors. We have purple. We have blue. And then we have red. Okay. And her makeup look cute right there too. Okay. So we're going to use these colors. We're doing an ombre. So we're doing an ombre with the hair and with the nail. So super excited. So it's going from purple to blue to red. Now this unit is a natural black color as well. You guys have seen this unit a few times. So say hello again. I used her for the headband wig video. So for this unit, we're going to have another headband as well with the flowers and stuff. You guys are going to get to see me make that. So that's going to be awesome. So I'm going to show you guys some supplies and stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree to make the headband. So for the coloring, we're basically going to do the same thing we did for the pink wig, except for we're using 3 colors, okay? So in the front, I want to make sure, well, for this unit, it don't really matter if I get something on the lace because I'm putting on the headband. So let's get started. Let's just jump right in. So this hair color is $1.98. If you have not seen the video where I use the pink spray, make sure you check that out. It does have like a little seal on here, so I'm just going to remove that. It says shake well, and you have to shake it during the spraying process just to make sure that you keep all of the ingredients ready to spray. You're also going to need a comb or something so that you can keep the hair nice and detangled through the process. So I'm going to kind of start over here and just spray my colors. So there you have it. She is sprayed. And to clean the shower, I just go in with some CLR cleaner and it just gets the color right out. As far as removing the color from the wig, on the can it says you can just shampoo it out. So we're going to test that out as well. Probably in a completely separate video because we are trying to get this look finished. Okay, so I took some of the flowers off of here. They just pop right off. These were on this card, and I may glue this card inside of here and then glue the flowers around, or I might use some of this styrofoam, glue some of this around here, and then just stick the flowers in there. So in the process of while I'm doing it, I'm gonna kind of show like little clips of what I'm doing. So I don't really know how I'm going to do it yet, but I know it's going to be great. So I have decided to use this. I'm going to cover it with this little satin bag. So I cut and this is one of the Maven bags. So I cut it, and I'm going to wrap it around this so that the flowers can be on a nice black background. Okay, so I covered it. This part is going to be on my head, and then this is where I'm going to put my flowers. This is where the two, I don't know if y'all can see that, where the two met when I folded it over, but I just put this piece here just to, you know, pile everything up on top of it. So I kind of laid out how I want the flowers to be. So I'm just going to put this piece, going to glue it like inside of here, like that, inside of there, and then I'm just going to glue all of the flowers around it. Super cute. Alrighty, now time to pack the flowers on. Okay, so I cut the little tip off of the back of the flower so that it can be flat, and that's going to make it a lot better. So cutting that stem off of the back makes it to where I could just lay it into the glue, so it looks really nice. Super excited. Now I'm about to do this bottom row. Y'all, I'm so like, this is so pretty. Oh my god. So this is how I originally had it laid out, but looking at it, I think I'm gonna wear it like this with the blue flowers on top. I think that looks better with it like that. So this is just so pretty. I am super excited. It's so pretty. It's so pretty, y'all. Oh, it's so pretty. I just have her on my little display mannequin here. Oh, this is so pretty. I have her hair braided. This is the mannequin that I display my mask on. But she rocking that headband. Come on, come through. So now that the hair has dried a little bit, I told y'all when this start drying, that's when that color really start popping. So I'm just gonna let y'all kind of see how the ombre is looking. And I should have did blue, purple, and then red, because blue and red make purple. So we kind of got like a 4-color ombre going here, but that's okay. The more the merrier. So this is the headpiece. So this is going to go in that front. So this headpiece is going to go up there. Ooh, it's going to be so pretty. I can't wait. This wig right here had the shower just, you know, at a whole nother place. I had to go in with the Clorox. The CLR wasn't doing it. So this is the wig. Y'all know the next part. Okay, we got to put this look together, all right? So make sure that you check that video out. If you have not seen the nails portion, make sure you check that out as well. And I'll see y'all in the video where we put this whole look together. It's going to be ridiculous, okay? So thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed watching how I colored this hair. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And guess what? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video. Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. It's a wrap.
Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.